The story setting is the place where your story is happening. The story setting is important because it provides the backdrop against which the plot unfolds. Your setting affects how the characters feel and what they do. And if you describe it well, the reader will feel like they're immersed in the story. In today's tutorial, you will learn the importance of presenting a consistent mood and atmosphere when writing your setting descriptions.
On your marks. Get set.
The mood of a story is the emotion the reader feels as they read it. They might feel nervous or scared, angry or sad, calm or excited. The mood shapes the emotional journey the reader takes as the plot unfolds. It enables them not just to read the story, but to experience it. In movies, film directors often use music to influence our emotions. Watch this. Now, watch it again. Did you feel the difference? Music is a powerful tool that directors use to shape how we feel during a scene. Authors, on the other hand, use words instead of music to create the mood. Look at this piece of writing. Ahead of her, the house loomed ominously. She hesitated on the doorstep, fumbling nervously with her keys. The house was dark, unusually dark. As she pushed open the door, it creaked loudly. She frowned, her heart pounding. Carefully, she moved towards the living room, every step cautious. The darkness swallowed her. Suddenly, there was a click, and she was blinded by light. It's amazing how the mood can be changed by replacing some of these words. Ahead of her, the house stood invitingly. She hesitated on the doorstep, fumbling excitedly with her keys. The house was dark, unusually dark. As she pushed open the door, it creaked loudly. She smiled, her heart fluttering. Swiftly, she moved towards the living room, every step light. The darkness embraced her. Suddenly, there was a click, and she was dazzled by light.
Happy birthday!
When you're writing your setting description, always consider what mood you're trying to present. How can each sentence build on this mood? For example, imagine your setting is similar to this, and you want to create a light, happy, cheerful mood. You can achieve this by focusing on 4 key elements. Use bright imagery. Describe the beauty of the setting, such as the warm glow of sunshine, the vibrant colours of blooming flowers, golden light streaming through trees, the sparkle of morning dew on fresh grass, clear blue skies, or sunlight reflecting off rippling water. A place that feels relaxing. Introduce joyful sounds. Describe the birds chirping, children laughing, a gentle breeze rustling the leaves, or a stream trickling nearby. Use energetic movement. Highlight movement that feels light and joyful, like butterflies fluttering, bees buzzing, rabbits skipping, trees swaying, dogs bounding excitedly after sticks, or people walking with a spring in their step. Include positive language. Words like radiant, sparkling, bubbly, joyful, sunny, relaxed, bright, delightful. They all immediately evoke happiness and warmth. If instead you want to create a scary mood, you need to use these 4 elements in a different way. Use dark imagery. Focus on shadowy, dimly lit scenes, like an overcast sky, long creeping shadows, twisted trees silhouetted against a pale moon, and abandoned buildings with cracked windows. Introduce some unsettling sounds. Include eerie sounds like creaking floorboards, distant howling, a door slowly creaking open, rustling leaves in the wind, or the faint drip of water echoing in the silence. Use slow, tense, nervous movement. Describe slow, cautious movement, footsteps echoing down a long hallway, a door closing quietly behind someone, shadows flickering, or a figure lurking just out of view. Include ominous language. Use words that evoke dread and unease, such as sinister, menacing, chilling, foreboding, lurking, and haunting, to amplify the sense of danger and fear. Finally, make sure to keep the mood consistent in your descriptions. While it's fine to change the mood at different points in your story, like shifting from a happy, relaxed scene to something scary, avoid mixing opposite moods in the same moment. For example, the wind howled through the twisted trees, casting eerie shadows across the deserted path. The moon, partially hidden by dark clouds, flickered ominously in the night sky. A faint, unsettling creak echoed from the old, dilapidated house at the end of the lane. A family of ducks swam peacefully in the pond nearby. As the air grew colder, a chill settled into the bones of anyone who dared to remain. In this example, the peaceful ducks don't fit with the scary mood that's being created. To keep the atmosphere strong, stick to details that match the mood you're trying to build. If you're writing a spooky story, keep the atmosphere dark and creepy. For other great setting description writing tips, make sure you watch this video. And to continue to take your writing to the next level, make sure you subscribe to my channel.